Hello, class! I'm Teacher Lyra. How are you feeling today? That's awesome! Now, let's all say English is fun! Great job, everyone! Are you ready to learn something exciting? Fantastic! Today, we're going to explore demonstrative pronouns, this and that, and learn how to use them to talk about things near and far. Let's get started! Yesterday, we talked about nouns. Can anyone remind me what is a noun? That's right, Joy! A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Now, look at the picture. Can you identify the noun? Okay, who can tell me what is this? Yes, it's a bubble tea. Great job, Dave! Now that we remember what nouns are, let's move on to something exciting. Today, we're going to learn two very important words. This and that. This and that are called demonstrative pronouns. We use this to talk about nouns that are near us and that for nouns that are far away. Let's say it together. This for near and that for far. Now, let's practice reading together. This is rice. That is a mango tree. Great job! Now, to help you remember, let's sing a song. Are you ready? When it's near, we say this, like this rice or this tofu. Point to what's near, point to what's here. Now you know just where they are. When it's far, we say that, like that mango or that lantern. Point to what's far, point to what's there. Now you know just where they are. This for near, that for far. Let's all try it. Here we are. This for near, that for far. Now you're ready. You're a star. Great singing, everyone. Let's celebrate with a fireworks clap. Now that we've learned how to use this and that, let's play a game called the Mystery Box. Look at the two boxes on the screen. Pick one, see what's inside, and tell me, is it this or that? Remember, this is near and that is far. Ready? Let's begin. Okay, Lay, can you volunteer to open one of the boxes? Which one will you pick? The blue box or green box? Green box. Look, it's a pencil. Is it near or far? Yes, that's absolutely right. The pencil is near us, so we say, great job, Lay. Let's all say it together. This is a pencil. Great job with the mystery box game. Let's give everyone a fireworks clap. Now, let's play Running Man. I will show you a noun and you will decide if it's this or that. When I call your group, you will run to the correct basket and say the answer. Ready? Let's go! Your turn, Group 1. Blank is a bird. Is it this or that? 1, 2, 3, go! Amazing, Group 1! That is a bird. You did it! Let's give them a heart clap. Okay, now for your exit ticket. Look around the classroom and find something. Then make a sentence using this or that. Ready? Go ahead and find something. Who wants to recite? Okay, Becca, what is your sentence? Great job! You nailed it. This is a table. Fantastic! You all did an amazing job with our activities today. I'm so proud of you. Keep practicing what we've learned and we will see each other next time. Goodbye, class!